It's first really a scam. I've seen a lot of controversies around Forex being a scam.
Forex is scam, right? But this guy who dropped out of law school, abandoning his dreams of becoming a lawyer to start trading, has made $10 million from Forex in just a few years.
You recently bought a Range, you have a BMW, you have a Benz.
I also had a Range Rover before.
There's a Porsche you got in Qatar.
I also had Lexus.
Okay.
I also had a Kia.
Born into poverty, the young boy faced the tragic loss of his mother at the tender age of 9. Despite the hardships, he refused to be held back by his humble background. Curious to know how he managed to amass such staggering wealth in the same Forex market that has left many broken, homeless cause of blown accounts. Was it through YouTube absence or selling expensive courses and mentorship? Did he adopt the infamous Yahoo tactics, or did he truly master the act of trading like legends such as Happy Forex and Dapo Willis? Are you tired of blowing accounts? Are you tired of being a billionaire in demo and broke in real life? Now, hold your breath as we uncover the secret to his astonishing success in the Forex market. It all started when Jeffrey made the stupidest decision of his life. Unknown to him, this stupid decision would help him become a millionaire in the coming years. This stupid decision was a risky one, but Jeff had always loved taking crazy chances. Before I tell you what the stupid decision that changed his life was, let me first tell you a sad truth. Forex is a very deadly adventure and only 1 in 1,000 people make it big. But it's become Jeffrey's ultimate gamble, for he was never one to shy away from taking chances. What was the crazy risk? It was dropping out of Delta State University, abandoning his dreams of becoming a lawyer to look for greener pastures in the make-money online industry. Forex was not the first thing he ventured into. He did other jobs like graphic designing, video editing, and even freelancing on Fiverr. He later started selling phones in Computer Village. Nothing seemed to be working until his friend Kunle introduced him to someone that took all his money, but also changed his life. Before we get to who the person was and how he took all Jeff's money but also helped him, let's delve into the backdrop of his past. Born in Edo State's Nigeria, his early life unfolded amidst the loving embrace of his parents. However, tragedy struck at the age of 9, thrusting him into a world burdened by poverty and the untimely loss of his mother. Yet, from this heart-wrenching loss emerged unwavering spirits. Jeffrey's older siblings became his pillars of strength, nurturing and guiding him as he navigated the challenges of life. Completing his basic and high school education in Lagos, he carried the weight of his humble beginnings, yet he refused to let them define him. Through sheer determination and unwavering greed, he shattered the shackles of poverty, transforming his life into an inspiring tale of gold and candlesticks. Let's get back to the mysterious figure who took all his money but also changed his life. One faithful day, he went on an annotation with his very good friend whom he called Brother Kunle. It was during this period that crashed. For the Gen Zs, was a joint stock company that is widely known for perpetuating one of the largest Ponzi schemes in the world. As you know, Nigerians lost an estimated 18 billion naira to the legendary busts. This was about $16 million. That was a lot of money from one country, and there were even more victims that we don't know. But there was one thing Jeff and Kunle didn't understand. The person who introduced to them seemed to have recovered from all his losses. Jeffrey Benson was intrigued because he knew the guy lost a lot of money. They decided to call him to find out how he recovered from all his losses so quickly. That was how Jeff was introduced to the next big thing that helped the guy recover all his money. This next big thing also changed Jeff's life forever. Jeffrey Benson wanted to learn about the next big thing, which was Forex trading. The guy told him to sign up for mentorship, which was 300,000 naira. Guess what Jeff did? He emptied his pockets and paid the money. He used 300K. He got the training and decided he was going to go all in into Forex trade and begin trading with his life savings, $50. This was from the money he saved up from many side hustles he did, like selling phones and many others. Before all this, he has been reading a lot of books on Forex, watching YouTube videos about candlesticks, joining Telegram groups, and trading demons. He found his first capital, $50, and as luck would not have it, he blew it. This experience humbled him, and he went back to his demo account. After this happened, he went back to babypips.com and took his learning seriously. He watched a lot of YouTube videos and read a lot of trading books while practicing on his demo account. He soon discovered the secret to Forex trading and was now making little profit here and there. Anytime he makes a profit, he would document it on his YouTube channel for his subscribers. His life changed in 2018. His friend was looking for a way to get out of a financial mess, so they collectively funded an account with $25,000, with a large chunk belonging to his friend. Basically, he brought the knowledge of trading while his friend brought capital. Jeffrey Benson was able to trade that account from $25,000 to $240,000, and this was how his life changed forever. That's helped him gain relevance in the Nigerian Forex trading niche. People were coming to him for mentorship. He was selling courses and making a lot of money. His YouTube channel was booming and everything was going well. But little did he know that tragedy was about to strike. Did he survive this tragedy that almost ruined his whole life? You will find out soon.
It was on the 21st of May 2019, and Jeff entered the trade. Little did he know that he would regret this trade for the rest of his life. Guess how much he lost on that trade? $55,000, $75,000, or $95,000? If you chose $59,000 or some $5,000, you are wrong. If you chose $95,000, you are still wrong. Multiply that by 2, and you get how much he lost on a single trade. Yes, he lost $190,000 on the 21st of May 2019.
It's
You didn't think of committing suicide?
nothing like that.
You were not crying?
Crying, no way. I did feel bad for like 2 weeks because, whenever that major loss hits, you start making losses again.
And it became his biggest loss to date. His hands were shaking. Closing the trade was very hard for him. I'm sure you know how hard it is to close a losing trade. Everybody was disappointed. People copying his trade were devastated. I know you are curious to know why he lost the trade. It was simply because he was adding to a losing position. Imagine the weight of that loss, the terminal routine. But Jeffrey Benson didn't let that stop him. He continued pushing, and today he's among the richest Forex traders in Nigeria. Jeffrey Benson has placed the focus on empowering and creating job opportunities for Africans through his company, Firepeeps Forex Academy. Recalled that at a gathering in Lagos while he was taking his vision, Jeffrey Benson said, "I want to equip young Africans with necessary knowledge and skills to become financially independent. Through Firepeeps Forex Academy, we aim to create a community of successful Forex traders who can transform their lives and contribute to the economic development of Africa." Pencil's Firepeeps Forex Academy focuses on practical training, providing individuals with the tools and strategies required to thrive in the Forex markets. The Academy not only impacts technical knowledge but also emphasizes the importance of discipline, risk management, and continuous learning in the highly volatile Forex trading environment. Nigeria is currently struggling with an unstable economy, with more youth embracing tech skills as more valid. Why people like Jeffrey Benson are indeed needed to help revitalize the dwindling economy and foster a generation of skilled and financially independent individuals.